Hey Paul, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2015 Toyota 4Runner SR5. The vehicle is fully certified and is ready to go. It comes with this nice running boards, white on two-tone leather interior. It's a vinyl maybe, but it's a black, a dark charcoal, and a gray one. So it has a sunroof, has a power locks, power windows, power seats with a lumbar support. It has here we go, has heated seats. This is the window for the back. That's how you can open and close it. It's a one-touch button. So this is the radio here, which has GPS. It has here's the application, what it has with person navigation. It's gonna go on full screen. That's the backup camera here. Has of course Bluetooth, AC, heated rear window and the side mirrors, Bluetooth. There's a cruise control, lots of other options. There is no error codes, nothing on it. The oil change just been done, 196640. That's the kilometers on it. Of course, I have a clean car proof, no claims, no accidents, no damages on it. Ontario vehicle. It was registered only in Ontario as a normal. And it has a two-wheel drive, four-wheel high and four-wheel low modes on it, which is pretty nice. It's better on gas. This is the A-Track. They are traction control system, and DAC, it's a downhill assisting control or something like that. So that's pretty much everything regarding this vehicle. Again, it's in a really nice shape. You might see some very small, like, you know, it's white and small kind of chips you can see like this. I did not repaint any panels on it, so I decided to keep it as a original. There's some touch-ups. You don't really see it, but I'm pointing, you know, small stuff you can see. So it is here, it's available. If you have any questions, you can call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212. Thank you.